Hey, before you get into this video, stop and subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you never miss any of my posts. Then when you're done with that, head over to my community, engage with us, join us, fellowship with us, okay? And if you love the products that I use in my videos, head over to the store link. All of my faves are in there. There's even a link to my own website where you can view all of my hair toppers, my ebook, and all the things that Be Renewed is doing. And if you love me, okay, if you love me, join, be connected, or be crowned. It's a membership. I'll be updating this soon. I love you guys. Stay tuned. Welcome back. I'm just so happy that you guys are here with me. I am doing a follow-up on my do-it-yourself side tooth, side piece, press on, whatever you want to name it, okay? I'm doing an update on that because the response has been crazy. And so number one, thank you. Thank you for every share, every like, every comment, even sharing your own stories and just your transparency. And I just love you guys. That video took me up. You guys helped me reach 100K, well over 100K. And so thank you so much. The support means the world to me. So in this video, I do want to answer a couple of the questions that were asked in the comments section. Okay. And so if you did not see that video, I used Instant Smile. Okay, Instant Smile. Now, Instant Smile, they're not paying me, y'all. Okay, they not yet. Okay, they're not paying me yet. This was something that I sought out myself, that I wanted to figure out myself, and here we are. Now, I have sold a couple of the companies out that sell their products. Okay, well, praise the Lord. But so I use Instant Smile. Okay, so this is a thermal forming temporary tooth replacement bead kit. It comes with different shades and sizes of teeth. I learned that I have impacted teeth, and so they're still there. They up there, very childish and immature, don't want to come down and be grown. So it's on both sides. This side is more visible than this side, and so I only did the one. In this video, I really want to show you a detailed demonstration. We about to walk through this together, okay? And so it comes with this instruction paper, okay? You get an extra set of beads, all right? And then you get the actual teeth that you're going to be using. They give you scissors and a file. Now, this kit is sold on my Amazon storefront. Please, if you are going to purchase the kit, click the link that I'm going to provide. It's going to navigate you to my storefront and purchase it that way, okay? The prior affiliate that was connected to my last video, they are completely sold out, okay? Your girl sold them out, okay? No more. They have no more. So you have to go to my Amazon store. So let's read, because I know y'all don't be reading like me and just be figuring stuff out, okay? So this is your Complete Your Smile Temporary Tooth Replacement Kit. Since beads alone tend to stain quickly and need to be replaced often, they developed and patented the Instant Smile Temporary Tooth Kit. Temporary. Emphasis on temporary. So that's the first question. Is this permanent? Can you eat with it? We're going to address that later. Now, I did not do this with the intentions to have this to be permanent. Okay, I'm on a complete dental plan. This is a temporary fix, and it was just not affordable during that time. And so this was me trying to find a little quick solution, because I had to, present. I had to do some talking and take some pictures, and I wanted a complete smile. So for me, this serves that purpose. Pictures, quick little fix, take it out. I didn't intend to eat with it and just walk around and live life, and it just became my teeth. Like, that was not my intention. So this was a quick fix for me. And this is what I am promoting to you, a quick fix. This is not going to replace you going to the dentist. This is not going to replace implants and all the things that your professional dentist is telling you to do. I am not a professional in that department, okay? So let's get back into it. So they created this kit. They wanted to create a realistic, customizable tooth veneer. This allows for a more natural tooth look. Different shades allow the user to match their natural teeth more closely than white beads do. So apparently you could just use the beads just to create a tooth alone, but their system, they wanted to create a more natural looking tooth-like appearance. So this is why they did that, okay? So here it is, all right. Now they do have other products. They have Instant Smile teeth veneers, lower and upper. They got all the things, okay? So someone asked me, can you like make a whole bunch of these for like your front teeth? I would not recommend that. I would not. I would definitely go to your professional, go to the dentist, okay, and get that done. But, you know, they showing somebody real gappy in the front, and they have front veneers for that. Like it's a whole unit that you pop in and out. Alternative, okay, but go to your dentist. All right, so let's get back into creating it. Now, we about to make Toothiana twin. Okay, because I did mine the first time. I did it upside down. I was so anxious and just ready to get into it that, yep, I did it upside down. And so, okay, this is right side up. Now, I already cut the tooth. Do you see it? You see it? Okay. Now, they don't come with tooth tweezers, so I have to use my own tweezers that I had to clean. And let me make sure I got this right. Okay, we're gonna hold it the right way. There it is. So you see that already in there. Okay, so that's gonna be for that side. Now let's figure out this other side. And this space is, y'all, it's so little. Look at it. It just really don't need a tooth. Like, it just, like, let me see. It looked more like a gap than a missing tooth, but I'm gonna do this for you, okay? For you, the viewer. So let's see which one matches. I'm thinking this little end piece one, but then this one looks like, you see this one right here? This one looks like it will fit better because of the shape, but let's cut it and see, okay? Let's just cut it. So I'm gonna cut it right here. All right. So that's the first little one on the end, and this is the one right next to it. It cuts really easy, so you gotta be careful because them things be popping out. So let's try this one first. And when you cut it, you may have to file it because it's like it's just like a nail. I promise you, it's just like an acrylic nail. I mean, a press-on nail. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go with that one. I'm just gonna, yeah, I'm gonna go with that. Some tweezers. And then you see that little where I had to cut it with the scissors? I'm gonna try to file that. See how that little piece is coming off. You file it down. One of the questions was, what is this made of? So it's BPA free. Okay, it's BPA free, and it says safe, tested to US cosmetic and EU standards for oral use. Okay, so if I had the actual makeup of what these beads were, if I find that, I will put that in the description so that you can know what it's made of. Because someone suggested that I get like some fix-it or, you know, like an adhesive cream to hold it into place. So we're gonna try that too, okay? Just to give it a little bit more in there-ism, okay? That's a word it is today. Fix-it denture adhesive cream for fulls and partials. I don't even know if this is the right one. This is what I went in and got, and it says all day hold. So is this the right one? I don't know, because this is not what I do, but I'm doing it for y'all, okay? So tell me if it is, because I know y'all gonna tell me anyway, because somebody always got something to say. Activate these beads we need to have hot boiling water. Now, the key is the water got to be like hot, okay? Like it can't, like you can't boil it and then it cool down and then you try to put the beads in it, because the goal is to get these beads to turn clear and then it turns into like a moldable paste for the tooth. All right. So I am going to boil some water and come back and demonstrate. All right. So here's the hot boiling water. Okay, so now we're gonna take the beads. So 10 to 15 beads into the boiling water, depending on the size of the gap that you're feeling. So I feel like before I used too many. Well, let's just start with a little bit. Okay. So you put them in the boiling water and then you have to wait until they turn clear. Okay. Okay, you see how they're clear? Now we're gonna gather them all up. Make sure I get them all. And then you take it. Oh my God. Okay. And then this is the first tooth. And you're gonna create a little ball. On the tooth. Right? Like that. And so now, and I can't see, make sure this is the right way. So you take it like that and kind of hush. And then you have to let it cool. If I'm honest, I feel like the first one that I did that was upside down and put in the wrong way, it fit better for me. So this, I put it in the right side up, and I don't like how it looks. But anyway, this is what happens once you have like the mold. You see that? It creates like this little plastic mold. Now, however you push the mold around that space, is going to take that shape. So you can go back and like cut it and shape it, you know, like the extra plastic off to create like a little cap. File that down a little bit because it wasn't lining up. This is literally a press-on nail tooth. Like, that's exactly what this is. So I'm just filing it a little bit with the hopes that it'll look a little bit better. So you can, like, put it back in. And you see how Toothiana was looking better than this one. You see that? You know, for all the people that was like, it's upside down, it's upside down. It looked better than this. This is the right side up way. Okay? And then it's like, it's in there. So I'm gonna file it some more because I can't even grip this to file it. Like, I wanna, can I file it inside my mouth? That's, whoo, that's crazy. Don't do that. Because you got to get the shape. Like, I feel like it's too long. What you think? I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it alone. Okay, for this smaller tooth, I'm gonna use less beads. Oh, and they just fell in there. So, see that there? Have it on my spoon. I'm just gonna take it off. I'm gonna make it into like a little ball as much as possible. Like that, you see it? Hope you guys can see it. And then you put it on the back of the tooth like that, okay? And kind of like mold it in to place. You see it? And then, okay, and then, you're pressing the mold like behind the teeth, spreading it and getting it in there. Okay. And then you let it set. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest, I am very cautious about using this. I watched a couple videos, and because I don't wear dentures, and I'm just trying this just to see if this is the correct hold to use. But this product contains zinc, and it has a warning that says excessive and prolonged zinc intake is reported to be associated with serious health problems. I know a lot about zinc, and so I'm doing this one time and one time only. I would never use this again because I really don't care for it to hold, but I want to see if it creates a hold. So I'm going to use a little bit of this, okay? Like, yeah, like that, okay? And I'm going to place it inside this little groove just to see. Okay, and I got a small amount because I am scared. So I'm gonna put it in. And kind of hold it. Hold on now. I'll be right back. Okay, so I done went and put some lipstick on, okay, and it feels very, very secure. Now, will I eat with it? I'm not gonna do that. I don't feel safe eating with it. If you have gotten a kit since I posted that video and you've used any kind of like grip or denture cream to keep it in place and you've had success with eating with it, comment down below. I'm not gonna do that. I don't feel safe doing it, but it does feel very secure with the Fixident. And so I'm very shocked. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, please share with someone that needs transparency and showing our imperfections. That's what draws people. That's what makes content relatable. I am not afraid to show you what I find that is helping my little, my little 1-2 to just keep my smile in place, or if it's, a skincare line or a hair topper plug, okay? These are available on my website, Empress Curl. Anything that is going to enhance your beauty and it's not gonna cost you a lot and it's affordable, I got you. That is what I'm here for. And so, again, please shop the tooth replacement kit on my Amazon storefront. That is where the most inventory is right now. And so I'm going to link that either on a card here or down below. Always check the description box, okay, for the links. All right? I love y'all. And of course, keep living life on purpose, with purpose.